As we commemorate the Philippine Independence Day, Inquirer.net decided to ask several government officials and people on the streets what they want to be free from and what they intend to do to attain it.
Ako, for Filipinos, I think we haven't achieved economic freedom. No? May political freedom na tayo pero wala pa economic freedom. So everything that we're doing now sa aming committees is to try to make sure na yung karamihan ng mga kababayan natin ma-achieve nila economic freedom through jobs and through enterprise.
Economic freedom ng karamihan ng kababayan natin, matamo nila. Kasi sa ngayon parang hindi pa nila nakukuha.
Free from stress.
I want to be free from poverty. I want to be free from corruption. I want to be free from the pork barrel system. I want to be free from EDCA. I want to be free from the US and China. I want the Filipino people free, genuinely, and free from all the problems that beset us now.
The many mistakes that we made. The failure of our educational system to provide people with the incentive to read and to think. The freedom to learn how to express yourself.
Free from corruption, free from long delays in the disposition of cases, especially in the Supreme Court, and then freedom from meddling of the executive branch in the workings of Congress.
From all the stress, vices.
Gusto ko pong maging malaya sa mga masusungit na picture.
Pwede rin sa sarili nating bayan. Gusto rin natin maging malaya. Kasi umat sa mga pumupuno sa atin ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, maraming mga kurako. Maraming nagpapatupad ng batas. Pero hindi naman nila tinutupad. Sila mismo yung mga gumagawa ng kalokohan.
Gusto ko maging malaya sa problema.
I want to be free from sickness.
Gusto kong maging malaya sa pangamba. Take that much sought after vacation. Discipline myself.
Sa ngayon po kasi natutunan namin sa school, ang patakaran natin is parang give or take. So kung magpapaka-behave ka, syempre makukuha ang resulta mo din.
Hindi ka gagawa ng kasalanan. At magpakabuti ka na lang. Magpakabuting tao, maging mabait ka. At saka maging mabait ka rin sa kapwa. At saka may takot ka sa taas.
Hanapin mo kung ano yung solusyon.
Kailangan maano mo yung magampanan mo kung ano yung trabaho mo.
Don't eat unhealthy food.
Susubukan kong maging positibo ang pananaw sa buhay.
With Kathy Miranda, Ryan Liagogo, Noy Marcoso, Myla Aher, and Mark Kayabyab, this is Julian Love de Jesus reporting for Inquirer.net.